Switching from Pixel to iPhone seems like a big concern, particularly the worries of losing important data or contacts. Thankfully, there are reliable methods available to make the process much easier. In this video, we'll explore the 4 most reliable avenues to help you settle the matter. Method 1. How to switch from Pixel to iPhone in one click. With Mobican Transfer for Mobile, you can easily migrate various file types between devices with just one tap, regardless of the OS they are running. How to transfer data from Pixel to iPhone with Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Run the software and link your devices to your computer. Step 2. Check positions for Pixel to iPhone transfer. Step 3. Switch from Pixel to iPhone at once. Method 2. How to transfer data from Pixel to iPhone via Move to iOS. Download Move to iOS on Pixel. Connect devices to chargers and Wi-Fi. Open Move to iOS on Pixel. Agree to terms. Choose data collection. Follow prompts until find your code screen. On iPhone, go through setup until apps and data. Choose Move from Android. Continue. Then iPhone generates code and network. Enter code on Pixel. Connect Pixel to the temporary Wi-Fi network. Tap Connect. Select items to transfer. Tap Next. On Pixel, tap Done. Tap Continue to set up. Method 3. How to switch from Google Pixel to iPhone with Google account. With a Google account, you can transfer important calendars, notes, email, and contacts from Pixel to a Google account before copying them to your iPhone using the same credential. Method 4. Switch from Pixel to iPhone using Dropbox. Dropbox is a cloud-based platform for storing and syncing files, and it can be used to copy files between devices. To migrate files from a Google Pixel to an iPhone, upload files onto Dropbox, then download the desired content to your iPhone.